Hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Trading. Let's come to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be live. We're going to be talking about a whole bunch of stuff. I'm going to be showing you a chart, an absolute chart out there that makes it easy and simple for you guys to understand that the bull run is coming and that things are going to be going up sooner than later, guys. Also, we're going to be talking about something huge is going to be happening on Wednesday, guys, and this is going to make or break the crypto markets, and we're going to be jumping into that and much more. We're going to be talking about Dogecoin price action and everything, and also we're going to be talking about some crypto contagion news as well. So if this sounds interesting, let's get into it. Let's go down to crypto rabbit hole with the OG. I'm back to work, guys. I'm back to work. Probably by the time you're watching this video, I'm going to be at the office, guys, slaving away, guys. So it's a great time to be live. Don't forget to go down there, lick the likes, smash the likes, and let's jump into it right now. Pow! Dogecoin 111. You want it, I want it. Let's get it right freaking now. So right now we're seeing that the fear and greed index out there. I'm surprised it's at 29. I am very surprised that it's at 29, and it's up from 26. So it looks like we're starting to see some a little bit of a positive vibe, guys. So guys, if you love the channel like I love the channel, I love you guys. And I do love you guys a lot. And I want to thank the community for supporting us out there. Notifications are being hit and miss with YouTube. So once again, turn on all notifications, guys. Go to the notification button, turn on all notifications. And if you are not getting notifications from our friends at YouTube, you can go on to our Discord, and it's down below the description. Get on over there and you won't miss a beat out there. So that is cool beans. What else is coming in? Yesterday we did see that the broader markets, the stinkity stonks are down again. NASDAQ, the tech stocks got the biggest hammer, as we're seeing that Apple and Amazon, the earning came in and they stunk out there. So we're seeing that Apple and Amazon lost a staggering $8 billion in market cap in 2022. It's worse. It's bad. Like last year, 2000. I can say last year, right? Yeah, it's 2022. I'm saying last year out there. Hey, you guys won't believe it. Look, I'm in Da Nang. It is 20 degrees out here, 20 degrees Celsius for you guys in America. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. I forgot. But it is cold, guys. It is cold. I mean, I feel cold. I'm freezing. That's why I got my little sweater dealie on right now, in case you're wondering what's going on. So Apple and Amazon, they lost a ton of money. That is not a good look for Apple. And Apple, they're below right now. Apple market cap falls under 2 trillion as sell-off continues. So Apple's not looking good. And did you guys know that the iPhone 14 Pro, it's selling like hotcake? It's hard to find one, but the iPhone 14, it seems that nobody wants to buy it, and one of the big reasons for that is it's only like $200 difference between the Pro and the standard model. So a lot of people are opting out of not buying that. So it's kind of weird. Frankly, I don't like Tim Cook. I think Tim Cook is not a good CEO, my personal opinion. Out there. Looks like Sam Bankman-Fried pleads not guilty to 8 counts of wire fraud, securities, and not guilty to wire fraud, securities fraud, and conspiracy. So basically, the Sam Bankman, whose chicken is now officially fried, pleaded not guilty, and the reason he's doing that is because he wants to try to make a plea deal, and he probably wants to negotiate from 100 zillion years down to like 50 years, guys. Whatever, I don't know, but let's see what happens, guys. That's absolutely what happens. He also wanted to redact the names on his bail bill. When he got his bail, he had to put the names of people who bailed him out, so he wanted that redacted. I guess he didn't want Mummy and Puppy involved. So, and highlighted, looks like October's SCS trial set for October. Wow, so he's gonna have some free time at home, guys. So I still think that SBF's gonna do a runner, guys. I think he's gonna run it. What do you guys think? You think SBF's gonna do a runner? Crypto-wise, everything is red, just like the broader markets. One of the reasons that crypto is down right now is because the stinkity stonks are down as well. Not too much; it's pretty much neutral out there. We are seeing some outlines like Solana, DOT, Avalanche. They did pick up today, but overall, yeah, it's kind of a neutral day out there. Looking at the total market cap right now, we're at 806 billion. B with a billion. And I said to be for effect out there. I'm trying to be effective out there. Now, some people are saying that we could be seeing next month a huge dip, a huge crash for cryptos, guys. So that's why I'm saying, what I'm saying is don't do anything till after January 26th. I still, think something big's going to happen. I hung up with Elon Musk the other day, and he said, buckle up, boys and girls, because something big is going to be happening for Doge at the end of January. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed, So let's jump into it, guys. So we're seeing that mainly right now, we are seeing that most of the crypto is down. Nothing is in the green, guys. Everything is poo-poo schmataville out there. Doge is still at 7 cents, so that's pretty good. Our market cap is 9.3 billion. So hopefully we can stay above 9 billion and we don't collapse down, guys. Looks like, interestingly enough, yesterday the DXY pumpity pump, and one of the reasons it pumped is because the dollar jumps, euro dips before Fed minutes. So that's kind of interesting, guys. We are seeing that the euro, also the Germans out there, they also said, look, their inflation is also out of control. So because of that, dollar jumps up, dollar went nuts, guys. So that is not good for crypto markets when we have a strong dollar. It's not good for the economy, guys. Also, take a look at what's going on with itty bitty baby right now. Seeing Bitcoin is at $16,671. Basically comatose, going sideways. Don't expect anything. Looks like Eric Voorhees, he predicts that this year we could see $40,000. And that would be a 140% increase for Bitcoin. So that's kind of interesting. He's being very, very positive, and he thinks that 40,000 is the 2023 target. I think we're going to be dipping. Guys, did you know that Bitcoin is officially 14 years old today? Happy birthday, Bitcoin. A fun fact, on Bitcoin's birthday, there are currently over 43.2 million addresses that hold Bitcoin, guys. So that is cool, guys. You see the number of addresses for Bitcoin is increasing as we get more and more mass adoption out there. So that's pretty positive out there, pretty positive. Guys, this is a huge chart I want to talk to you guys. Trend line, which has already existed for 5.5 years, is still holding strong. So this is one of the most important charts out there, and as you guys can see, that every time, let me blow this up for you. Every time that Bitcoin does go down to this trend line, we often have a huge meteoric explosion to the upside. We saw that in 2017, 2018, 19, 2020. We did slightly go below that. That was because of the COVID crash out there. But overall, every time we hit this trend line that's been going on for a very long time, Bitcoin often bounces to the upside, so that is pretty good. Now, keep in mind that something big is going to be happening on Wednesday. We're going to be talking about that in a minute, guys. Let's just get through this. And you can see that the total drawdown since 2012 to 2023, the drawdowns are getting less and less. It was 94%, then 86%, and 84%, and 78%. And the shifty shift, he keeps saying that Bitcoin is done by gold. He said that in 2012, 2015, 2018, and 2023. But Bitcoin always bounces back, guys. It always freaking bounces back, guys. You know it, I know it. So also Su Zhu, who's basically, he's still running. He's kind of like laying the blame on DCG, FDX, and he's just going nuts. He's just blaming everybody. So all I got to say to Su Zhu is, if you're innocent, brother, why are you running? Why are you hiding? Just like our snowflake, Dogecoin. So it looks like Su Zhu could be another soap on a rope candidate, guys. I'm gonna have to start getting a container load of that stuff, because all this, the felons are running wild, running through the jungle, guys. So that's what that's all about. So guys and gals, we got something big happening on Wednesday, guys. Huge news on Wednesday, and that is going to be, let me just show you guys, buckle up, that on Wednesday we have the FOMC meetings, and that is going to be the Fed meetings for December, and they're going to tell us if they're going to increase the interest rates or not. And I think we're going to get about 50 basis points. That's what I'm thinking. What are you thinking out there? I think that's what's going to happen, guys and gals. So if that happens, if the interest rates come in line, then the market's not going to react. If the interest rates come under expectations, then the markets are going to bounce to the upside, and if they go higher, the markets are going to tank. So let's keep an eye on that. Let's absolutely keep an eye on that. What else is coming in? Looks like top cryptocurrencies in the world by Twitter follows, and of course, my friend, your friend, the Doge is number 3 with 3.65 followers, 3.65 million followers. That's pretty good. So right now, for the price of Doge, so Dogecoin did get rejected at the 20-day moving average right here. We're having a very hard time on the daily to get above the 20-day moving average, and we did get rejected all the way down to the 7 cent support level. Now, it looks like based on this pattern, we could be breaking down again because of this rejection here. So we've been rejected a couple times. This was a very hard rejection yesterday, so I was quite surprised that we didn't go past that. If we can't get above the 20-day moving average, then we're going to get rejected, and that's going to push us down to 6 cents, guys. So keep an eye on that. Some people are saying a big crash is coming. A big crashy-washy is coming. Tokenomics-wise, we see the volumes are down 30% right now. The market cap is at 9.3. Not looking good for the Doge. News-wise, nothing really happening. The big news was the Dogecoin developer fund for 5 million Doge. So, you know, they got some like kind of fuddy news, like Dogecoin rival Bonk records 380% gains. Who cares about Bonk, guys? Quite frankly. The only real big news is the Dogecoin Foundation announces new FUD for core developers. Other than that, nothing really too exciting out there. Now, we are seeing that that there's much more wow right now for Dogecoin, so that is pretty good. Pretty cool beans out there. Nothing too much to write home about, guys and gals, so that is it. Let's take a look at what's going on with Shibi Weeby right now. So Shibi Weeby is not doing anything. It seems to be following my support line. News-wise for Shiba Inu, nothing too exciting out there. Let's just click on the news as it's going. Nothing. Siberian Central Token Bone spikes 12% past week. Possible reasons. Solana up 20%. Nothing too major news-wise. Pretty boring out there. So what to expect this week? I think we're going to expect that most of the cryptocurrencies are just going to be comatose, going sideways. I don't expect anything too much. Wait till after January 26th if you're going to need dry powder. I think we could see a bit of a crashy-washy, dumpy-dumpsky, unless Elon Musk does deliver something cool on the Doge Wojo, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a close. Wozy. Don't forget to go back and watch all my other videos. I appreciate it. And guys and gals, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. And if you're wondering where all the links are, you go to the below every video here. And we've got the Discord link. We've got the Nano Ledger link as well. And you buy the channel coffee. We've got a Dogecoin tippy jar, guys. I appreciate it. And if you have your crypto on a centralized exchange, guys, I would appreciate it. And if you want to be safe out there, and you don't own the keys, you don't own the crypto, guys. So what I'm saying is, get yourself a hardware wallet out there, guys. They've got this new Ledger Stacks out there. I'm going to pick one of these bad boys up. They look pretty good. Don't forget to get the merch, guys. Get the merch. Gear up with the OG gear. So, guys, have a blessed day. Have a blessed day. Indeedy, weedy. I'll see you next one. Peace out.